This question is about transfer of charges and Coulomb's law for the electrostatic force. We have two charges. One is point charges. One is A and B. So one is A, another one is B. Initially, the charge A is having a charge plus Q, charge B is having a charge amount of charge minus Q respectively, are placed at a certain distance. Let me say some distance R. So this is A and this is B. And the force acting between them is F. The force acting between them is F. I can write what is electrostatic force of attraction. No, not attraction. Obviously it's attraction because you've got positive and negative. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, product of charges is plus Q into minus Q by distance is R square. So this is F that is given. Now if 25% of charge A is transferred to B, then the force between the charges becomes. So if 25% of A is given to the charge B, then what happens to the force? That force F dash we have to write in terms of this F, because answers are in terms of the F which is given here. Now how much is a 25% of that? So 25% of A charge, that means 25% of plus Q, that is 25% of Q is just 1 by 4th of Q. 25%, 1 by 4th of Q. So this 1 by 4th of Q is given to B. That means A loses 1 by 4th of Q and B gains 1 by 4th of Q. That means after adding this some 25% of charge to this will lose. How much it will lose? It was plus Q, A had plus Q. Now it is 25% lost. So it is 1 by 4th of Q. So B, it was having minus Q. Now 1 by 4th of Q is added to it. So plus 1 by 4 times Q. So this is a new charge of A, that is 4Q minus Q, that is 3Q by 4. This is a new charge, 4 minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3Q by 4. So these two are the new charges. Now the distance is again R square. We did not change the distance, we just transferred charge from one body to another one. So now what is electrostatic force? So that is F dash, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, product of charges. One is 3Q by 4, another one is minus 3Q by 4. Distance between them is the same, that is R square. So I have to write this F dash in terms of some F, because answers are in terms of this F. So I can write this F dash is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q square. So I'll write Q into minus Q by R square, and this number I'll write separately, 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. So this is nothing but this F, that is electrostatic force of attraction between these two original charges. So that is F dash is equal to, this whole thing is F into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4, 9 by 16. So required answer is F times 9 by 16. I can find out somewhere here. Yeah, it's here. 9 by 16 times F.